In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put bulk images in Odoo. If you need to add images to a large number of products, one of the easiest and most efficient methods is to import them using a CSV file. This approach is especially useful when you already have a product list and want to avoid uploading images one by one. In Odoo, product images can be imported along with other product data, which can save a lot of time when managing a big catalog. To get started, the first thing you need to do is prepare your images. You have two options here. You can either upload your images to a publicly accessible location online, or keep the image files ready on your computer if you plan to work with encoded image data. If you're using image links, make sure each URL points directly to the image itself and that the files are accessible. This is important because Odoo needs to be able to read the image source correctly during the import process. Next, create your CSV file. This file will act as the bridge between your product data and the images you want to assign. A simple example would include one column for the product name and another column for the image. So, for example, one row could contain a product name like Apple, and in the image column you would place the image URL for that product. Another row might contain banana with its corresponding image link. If you're not using image URLs, this image column can also contain base 64 encoded image data instead. The key point is that each product in the file should match the correct image entry so Odoo can apply everything properly. Once your CSV file is ready, go into Odoo and open the Sales module, then navigate to Products. From there, click on Favorites and choose Import Records. Upload the CSV file you just created. Odoo will then show you the column mapping screen where you need to connect your CSV columns to the correct Odoo fields. This part matters, so take a moment to confirm that the image column is mapped to the product image field. If the mapping is incorrect, the images may not import as expected. After everything looks right, proceed with the import. Odoo will process the file and attach the images to the corresponding products. As a helpful tip, it's a good idea to test the process with a small sample first before importing your entire list. That way you can confirm the formatting, image links, and field mapping are all working correctly. Once the test is successful, you can confidently import the full batch and update your product images much faster.